My dear friends, welcome today new video. This is intro. Welcome to the channel, and this is intro to my. I will do couple of videos. I bought a house in Croatian coast, and I will. This is the first time I'm going down there. I bought it for 18,000 euros, so I want to show you how to buy the house on Adriatic coast for 18,000 euros and in what condition it will be, how far to the sea, and look, this is my great adventure. The house is like kinda ruined, and I am driving from North Croatia to the south today, and I have doors, windows, a solar system. A house doesn't have water, so I have hydro pack, and I have bed, I have everything. I am carrying everything with me to the new house on peninsula Peljesac in Croatia. And in few episodes I will show you how it looks like. So next episode will be when we arrive down there, and then I will show you how I do the work in the house and how I improve the house. And I am not an expert, so it will be half an amateur way. And look, I want to show you how much stuff I'm carrying. I don't even have a place to hold my hand. I barely can change the gears. PVC window, bed, okay, I'm totally full. My hiking equipment, my clothes, tables, PV, solar panel. It's on the roof. I'm carrying it on the roof. And my winter jacket is in my seat because I don't have any more space. Okay, this is like an intro episode, so you know what's going on. So, new house, 18,000 euro, Croatian coast, Peljesac Peninsula, is 1 kilometer to the sea, to the beaches and sea and everything. So it's like 10 to 15 minutes by foot. So it's kinda good location, but condition of the house is very bad. You will see it. Next episode will be first episode. This is the intro. If you like it, watch my adventure. I will have a hard time because no water, barely any electricity, the roof is leaking, no windows, no doors, so I have a lot of work to do. Walls are in the bad shape, everything is bad, you will see. Okay, this is it, intro episode. Like the video, subscribe, and support me with membership and everything else. That's it. See you in the next video.